Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your trading strategies with eToro, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the eToro platform and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Popular Investors section to explore top traders. Take note of their strategies, risk levels, and performance metrics. Select a trader whose style aligns with your goals. Use the copy feature to mimic their trades in real time. Analyze your portfolio regularly to track your performance. Set clear risk management strategies, such as stop-loss orders. Explore the various trading instruments available on eToro, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Utilize eToro's social trading features to engage with other traders. Join forums or groups to exchange insights and strategies. Utilize the economic calendar to stay updated on upcoming market events. Practice making trades using a virtual account to test your strategies without financial risk. Adjust your strategies based on market performance and personal experiences. Leverage eToro's educational resources, such as webinars and tutorials. Continuously review and refine your trading approach based on your evolving goals. Consider diversifying your investments to reduce risk. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading decisions by sticking to your plan. Regularly assess your trading results to identify areas for improvement. Set realistic profit targets and risk levels to manage expectations. Keep up to date with market news and trends to inform your trading decisions. Utilize analytics tools available on the eToro platform to enhance your strategy. Network with other traders to gain new perspectives and strategies. Challenge yourself by setting new trading goals to improve your skills. Remain patient, as consistent improvement takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.